back to my channel. If you want to see this look, how to create this beautiful look, then please keep on watching. Start with the face moisturizer. I am using the MAC Strobe Cream. Let's blend it with the foundation brush, and my skin feels so soft and moisturized. I can see the glow. I hope you can also see the glow on my skin. Then I'm going to use my primer. It is from PAC. It's been my favorite since I started using it. It blurs out my skin. It's so beautiful. Whenever I try different looks with this, it creates my skin so beautifully. I'm taking up my favorite foundation from LA Go Pro HD foundation, and let me mix with the Maybelline foundation. And I love both the foundations, and they are so nice coverage, and the color is really suitable to my skin. It's really nice and it gives you really matte finish, so I love this foundation. So I'm blending this with the stippling brush and just stipple and blend it really properly, and then you can blend it out with your beauty blender for your double check. Next, I'm going to use my contour stick from Makeup Revolution. This is the contour foundation stick, so I use a darker shade. The shade number is 18, and I just put it for my jawline and my cheekbones and just blend it out with a fluffy blending brush. Then next, I just go for the under eyes and apply Maybelline concealer. The shade number is 15 and 20. Blend it with a beauty blender and just set it with the Maybelline powder. I just love to set my under eye with some of the powder, so it just gets locked up and I don't grease it as full day. Then for my eyeshadows, I'm going to take the Maybelline lipstick. Shade is magenta. Apply to your crease and blend it with your fluffy brush. Blend it really nicely, so none of the lipstick edges are just fixed into your eyelid. So blend it really smoothly. Take a little bit of time and blend it all. So you should not grease the lipstick because it is a creamy formula. So we are going to use a powder eyeshadow from the palette Makeup Revolution Reloaded Red Alert palette, and from there we are going to pick up the peach shade and just blend it from my outer corners. I'm just blend it all over it and just apply the peach shade onto your lid, onto your crease, so your full eyeshadow is set in place. Next, I'm going to use some pink eyeshadow from the same palette, and I'm just going to apply to my outer corners and just move it on into your crease. Blend it really thoroughly because this shade is really pigmented. So grab on little and just blend it all. Next, I'm going to take some of the magenta shade. This shade is beautiful from this palette and from the same palette, and just go for the outer corners and just smoke it out the edges because I don't like the sharp edges. So I just always smoke out everything, and I just love everything blurred out. Since now I'm not a fan of that crisp line. So yes, I will just blend out. This is the metallic Miss Rose palette. I picked this palette from the Darjeeling, and if you are from there, then you are very lucky. So I had just gone for the tour over there, so I grabbed on this palette. This palette is beautiful. I'll just show you some swatches. Oh my god, this palette is so beautiful. All the metallic shades are so beautiful. If you want some review on it, then let me know. I will make a full video on this palette itself. It has some matte shades. The matte shades are also really creamy and really nice palette. I could not show in this video because it would have gone so long. But if you want any of the palettes, so let me know. So next, I'm going to grab on same palette. I'm going to grab on two gold shades from this, and I'm just going to apply on my lid, and OMG, it looks so pretty on the lid. I love this palette. For my looks, I just amazed with this palette. Next, for my lower lash, I'm just going to apply the same peach shade, and then I'm going to grab on same palette some of the magenta shade and apply on my lower lid, and just go with the gold eyeshadow and same way just smudge it out. And for the inner corners, I'm going to take some champagne shade from the same palette and just apply to my inner corners. Next, I'm going to take some of the HR liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply for my eyeliners. Then I'm going to take NY Babe. This is the black liquid eyeliner. Just apply it like a wing eyeliner. If you want a tutorial and how to apply the wing eyeliner, please let me know in my comments. It will be a world to me. Next, I'm going to apply mascara. This is my all-time favorite color bar, and I have bought this all the time over all the expensive products. So I love this color bar mascara. Highlighter I have taken from Makeup Revolution. This is a brick highlighter shade number 2, and this is a brick palette. I don't use the shades which are bottom, but I just use the one shade which is goldeny side, which suits my skin tone. So yes, I do use that. And then I'm going to use some of the bold lipstick range in bold, and from the raspberry I'm going to apply this lipstick, and over that I'm just going to use Matte Me in color lipstick in magenta, and I'm just going to finish up my look with some of the lipstick and some of fixed flowers. Let everything get fixed up and just spray it on everything, and yes, my look is ready. This is my final look, and if you want to see the photographs and all, 2-3 photographs I'll include in the further clips, but if you want to see a lot of photos like the full get up of it, then please go and check it out on my Instagram. My Instagram account name is same, artistic touch _sonam. It is same. Go follow me over there. You will see a lot of photographs. And if you have not seen other videos of makeup, which is from first day to the 10th day, so this is the 10th day look. So if you have not seen that 9 days look, then all the links are given in the description box. Go and check it out.